In a stern action exposing the Taliban regime in West Bengal, the case that grabbed national attention where TMC goons publicly trashed a woman, the police have invoked serious charges. The sections include attempt to murder and molestation against TMC functionary Tajibul Islam days after he was arrested in the case. The court on Monday granted police 5-day custody of the accused. Notably, the BJP on Monday slammed the Mamata Banerjee government over the brutal flogging case which resembles the Taliban rule against charges of adultery. It also condemned the opposition for maintaining sui patak sannata or complete silence over the incident.
इसका जितने सारे हैं, अभी भी बोल रहा हूँ, पूरा देश को सुन लीजिए। ये पश्चिम बंगाल को आप लोग ठीक दिशा से नहीं देखेंगे, तो एक दिन ये पश्चिम बंगाल भी बांग्लादेश से जुड़ा हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जय बांग्ला बोल के पूरा विरोधी पक्ष को कुछ रहा है। ये सुन लीजिए, वहाँ पे इतना तुष्टिकरण हो रहा है, इतना तुष्टिकरण हो रहा है, इतना तुष्टिकरण रहा है। जो खड़ा है ना, इन लोग कभी इसके बाद 10 साल का बोलने के बाद खड़ा नहीं होगा। वहाँ पे मुस्लिम राष्ट्र का शासन चालू हो गया। सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत की बात यही है सर।
The viral video of the TMC functionary publicly assaulting and flogging a man and woman at a Salishi Sabha, also referred to as their self-proclaimed court of justice, sparked outrage as multiple such cases came to light in recent most days. Slamming the Mamata Banerjee-ruled government, BJP national spokesperson Gaurav Bhatia stated that at Banerjee's behest, the Chief Minister has given free rein to the TMC party goons to impose Taliban-style rules and Sharia laws in West Bengal. Bhatia mocked the India Alliance for maintaining silence on the brutal incident, questioning whether the opposition agrees with mob lynching and flogging incidents happening in the state.
जनता बंगाल की त्रस्त है ममता बनर्जी से, और यह कहना गलत नहीं होगा। जंगल राज कैसा होता है? बिल्कुल ममता राज जैसा होता है। यह हर नागरिक के लिए पीड़ाजनक है, चिंताजनक है कि एक महिला मुख्यमंत्री, जिनके पास गृह मंत्रालय भी है, वे अपनी पार्टी के गुंडों को खुली छूट देती हैं।
Meanwhile, after the TMC strongman was arrested for publicly flogging a man and a woman in the Uttar Dinajpur district of West Bengal, it not only drew the ire of BJP and CPIM but also of Governor C.V. Ananda Bose and the National Human Rights Commission. West Bengal Governor and NHRC have asked for immediate reports on the incident and have asked the state government for actions it has taken concerning the case. Essentially, Governor Bose is likely to visit Uttar Dinajpur district on Tuesday to meet the victims and inquire about the progress in the police investigation into the incident. He is also expected to visit the Cooch Behar district, where another woman identified as a BJP member of its minority wing was also recently stripped and assaulted by the TMC goons. Over the past week, at least 12 such incidents have been reported in the state, sending shockwaves across the country. The uproar against the violent mob lynching cases against women in West Bengal comes just months after several protests rocked Sandesh Khali in North 24 Parganas, where residents accused local TMC leader Sheikh Shahjahan of land grabbing and sexually harassing women in the region.